Hello and welcome to the Allfax video training series. Today's video will cover the new Sharp MX-B557F multifunction printer or copier. Let's start by taking a look at the operation panel of the 557. If you look, you have a full touch screen in the middle. To the right, you have a series of hard buttons. If you look across the top row, you have the home button, which if you're in one of the sub-menus, this will return you back to this screen. To the right of that, you have your sleep button or power down button if held down. You have a number pad. This allows you to put a quantity in for your copies or key in a fax number if you have the fax mode enabled. Across the bottom, you have a C key that would clear the quantity. You have an X to clear everything. You have a start button. Additionally, at the bottom, you have a plus and minus key, which is the volume for your fax speaker. Now let's take a look at the touch screen. The upper part of the touch screen contains 4 large buttons, the easy buttons and the advanced button. The lower section includes the toner quantity, access to the settings menu, the total count, which gives you the total output, whether it's copies or prints, but total output on the machine, and the ability to adjust the screen brightness and language settings. Now let's take a look at the easy buttons. The easy buttons allow you quick access to a particular mode along with the frequently used features and functions for that mode. For example, if you click on the Easy Copy button, it gives you quick access to the copy mode. You could simply put your original in the document feeder or on the glass and press the Start button to make a copy. You could also set the quantity there at the Copies button at the bottom. Additionally, you have access to some of the frequently used features and functions of the copy mode. If you notice, you have a button there that says Paper Select. Here, you could pick a different paper tray other than the default tray, which in this case is set to tray 1. If we had color stock in the bypass, we could select the bypass from here. The two-sided copy button allows you to make a different output of your original. If you had one-sided originals, you would simply press the button that has 1 with an arrow pointing to 2. On the buttons, the number on the left is the pages or the layout of your original, and it points to the copy it's going to produce. In the case of a bunch of single-sided sheets, you'd press 1 to 2, or if your original is already two-sided and you wanted a two-sided copy, you would press 2 to 2. Some additional buttons that are in the Easy Copy mode are Copy Ratio. This is reduction and enlargement. In Up gives the user the ability to put multiple images on one side of the sheet of paper. For example, if you've ever gone to a presentation and the presenter uses PowerPoint, they might give you a printout of the slides, maybe 2 or 4 per page. That's how In-Up works. If you click the arrow, you could move to the next screen and you have the original button, exposure, and card shot. Original lets you set an original size. This could be helpful if you have some odd size sheets other than letter or legal paper. Exposure is how we lighten or darken our copy, and then card shot is a feature to help you copy an ID that will be covered in a later training video. If you click the Details button, you can access the full array of settings for a copy job. This will be covered in a later video as well. If you click either the Easy Scan or the Easy Fax button, you'll basically get some of the same features. We'll click on Easy Scan for now. And we're really going to only have 2 choices. One is the address book, one is Scan to USB. This allows us to access our address book of stored email addresses so we can scan to them. If we click the Easy Fax button, this allows us the same details as both copy and scan, but we can access our address book. If we have stored fax numbers, we can also click in the address box at the top and enter a fax number, whether we use the soft keyboard that would pop up on screen, or we use the hard keyboard to the right of the touch screen on the machine. We can access that. We can also make some changes with original, exposure, and those type of settings. Once we have our document loaded, our number dialed, we would hit the start button. Whether it's scan or fax, if you click the detail button, you get the full array of settings that would be available in either a scan or a fax job.
That completes our video, and thanks for watching. If you need additional information or support, please visit our website at www.allfax.com. You can also contact us at our main number at 504-443-0188. On behalf of the entire Allfax team, we appreciate and value your business. Thanks, and have a great day.